Welcome to the journey of ACCA. Welcome, dear students, to the exciting journey of ACCA. This program is a beacon of hope, especially for those who haven't had the chance to attend school or complete their education, like many girls and women in Afghanistan. By choosing ACCA, you are opening doors to a world of opportunities, and a bright future is waiting for you. ACCA is your pathway to fantastic job opportunities in some of the best countries around the world. The skills and knowledge you gain here will set you apart and prepare you for a successful career in finance and accounting. You have made an excellent choice, and we are here to support you every step of the way. We understand that you are new to this, and there's no need to worry because we are here to guide you every step of the way. Our lessons are designed to be very easy and simple so that everyone can understand. We will provide clear explanations and use excellent examples to make the lessons even more accessible and comprehensible. After completing each chapter, we will give you lots of questions and solve them for you, ensuring you fully grasp the material. We will be with you every step of the way, making this journey easy and comfortable for you. About ACCA FA1. Recording financial transactions. ACCA FA1, recording financial transactions, is the foundation of your accounting knowledge. In this subject, you will learn how to record various financial transactions accurately. This includes understanding the basic principles of bookkeeping, such as recording sales, purchases, receipts, and payments. You will also learn how to prepare financial statements and understand the importance of maintaining accurate financial records. This subject lays the groundwork for more advanced accounting studies. It will equip you with the essential skills needed to manage financial records effectively, ensuring you are well prepared for your future studies and career. Watch the video until the end, and we will describe all the content of ACCA FA1 in detail. ACCA FA1 Syllabus, a guide for starters. Chapter 1, the context and purpose of financial accounting. All right, let's dive into Chapter 1, which is all about understanding the context and purpose of financial accounting. First, we'll start with the purpose of financial accounting. Here, we learn what financial accounting is and why it's important. This sets the foundation for everything else you'll study in this course. Second, we'll look at the types of business transactions. This part is crucial because understanding different business transactions is fundamental to accounting. We'll cover the various kinds of transactions businesses encounter daily. After that, we'll discuss the regulatory framework. This is where you'll get an overview of the rules and regulations that govern financial accounting. It's essential to know these rules to ensure compliance and accuracy in your work. At the end of this chapter, we'll talk about the role of the accountant. This section outlines the responsibilities and functions of an accountant, giving you a clear picture of what to expect in this career. Chapter 2, the qualitative characteristics of financial information. Moving on to Chapter 2, we focus on the qualitative characteristics of financial information. First, we'll explore the fundamental qualitative characteristics, which are relevance and faithful representation. These characteristics ensure that financial information is useful and accurately represents what it purports to represent. Second, we'll discuss the enhancing qualitative characteristics. These include comparability, verifiability, timeliness, and understandability. Enhancing characteristics improve the quality and usefulness of financial information. Chapter 3, the use of double entry in accounting systems. In Chapter 3, we get into the nitty-gritty of accounting systems and the double entry method. First, we'll cover the accounting equation, which is the cornerstone of double entry bookkeeping. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. Understanding this equation is crucial for grasping how transactions affect a company's financial position. Second, we'll dive into the double entry system. This system ensures that every transaction is recorded twice, once as a debit and once as a credit, to maintain balance in the accounting equation. After that, we'll talk about the books of prime entry. These are the journals and ledgers where transactions are first recorded. Knowing how to use these books is essential for accurate record keeping. Finally, we'll walk through the process of recording transactions. This includes the step-by-step method of documenting business transactions, ensuring they are correctly recorded in the books. Chapter 4, Recording Transactions and Events. In Chapter 4, we'll delve deeper into specific types of transactions and how to record them. First, we'll start with sales and purchases. You'll learn how to record transactions related to selling and buying goods and services. Second, we'll cover cash and credit transactions. This section will teach you how to handle transactions involving cash and credit, which are common in business operations. Next, we'll look at bank reconciliation. You'll learn how to prepare bank reconciliation statements, which are crucial for ensuring the accuracy of cash records. After that, we'll discuss payroll. This involves accounting for employee wages and salaries, which is an important part of managing business expenses. Then, we'll move on to depreciation. You'll learn about different methods of depreciation and how to account for it, ensuring that asset values are accurately reflected over time. Finally, we'll talk about accruals and prepayments. This section covers adjusting entries to account for expenses and revenues that have been incurred but not yet recorded or paid for in advance. Chapter 5. Preparing Trial Balance. Chapter 5 focuses on preparing and understanding the trial balance. First, we'll discuss the purpose and preparation of a trial balance. This involves understanding why a trial balance is important and how to prepare one. After that, we'll look at error correction. This section will teach you how to identify and correct errors in the trial balance, ensuring that the accounts are accurate. Chapter 6. Extending the trial balance. In Chapter 6, we extend the trial balance to prepare financial statements. First, we'll cover adjustments. You'll learn how to make adjustments for items like accruals, prepayments, and other necessary entries to ensure that the trial balance is accurate. Second, we'll move on to financial statements preparation. This involves using the adjusted trial balance to prepare the income statement and balance sheet, giving a complete picture of the business's financial position. Chapter 7, Control Accounts. Chapter 7 is all about control accounts. First, we'll discuss the purpose of control accounts. You'll understand why control accounts are important and how they help in managing the accuracy of subsidiary ledgers. Second, we'll look at reconciliation. This section covers how to reconcile control accounts with subsidiary ledgers, ensuring that all records are consistent and accurate. Chapter 8, Correction of Errors. In Chapter 8, we focus on identifying and correcting errors in accounting records. First, we'll cover the types of errors. This involves understanding different kinds of accounting errors that can occur. Second, we'll discuss correcting errors. You'll learn methods to correct these errors to ensure the accuracy of the financial records. Chapter 9, the trial balance and financial statements. Finally, in Chapter 9, we'll bring everything together to prepare the final accounts. First, we'll look at final accounts. This involves preparing final accounts from the trial balance, giving you a complete understanding of the financial position of a business. Second, we'll discuss the adjusted trial balance. You'll learn how to use the adjusted trial balance to prepare accurate financial statements, ensuring that all necessary adjustments have been made. This structured approach will help you grasp the essential concepts of financial accounting and build a solid foundation for further studies. Thank you, and what's next? Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and enthusiasm. Remember, the detailed lessons will be uploaded soon, and we can't wait to see you there. Stay motivated, stay positive, and let's make this journey a great success together. We are here to support you every step of the way. See you in the lessons.